Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. It is well in your knowledge that government is devising a new policy to conduct your examinations in the month of October or November online. As all the educational institutions are shut, no physical classrooms are alive. Only left option for you is to go for offline and online mode of teachings. So better move is to remain inside your homes, stick to the books so that you can crack the coming examinations with good margin of marks. Secondly, by remaining inside your homes, you can defeat the COVID-19 infection that is gaining wild pace and killing people in lakhs. The life is at stake and complete disturbance is seen everywhere and every nook and corner of the world. We are students without use of whiteboard. Today we are dealing with class 11th subject political science, and your chapter under discussion is executive, and today we are dealing with the types of executives. I have already addressed you or told you or make you understand that the executive is that branch of the government that implements laws or sometimes gets engaged in framing the policies. Broadly, there are three types of executives. One is the presidential system, another is the parliamentary system, and third is the semi-presidential system. In a presidential system, head of the state and head of the government is both president. Once again, I am repeating the things. In the presidential system, the head of the government is president as well as the head of the state is president. The office of the president is the most powerful office and it is based on the theory of separation of powers. And such a system is in operation in Brazil and United States of America. And second, there is a parliamentary system. In a parliamentary system, the head of the state is either monarch or president, but he performs only the ceremonial functions. He is a nominal head. All the powers are given in his name, but they are exercised by the Prime Minister, a council of ministers headed by the Prime Minister. But the council of ministers headed by the Prime Minister is responsible to the Parliament. This system is in operation in India. It is also operation in Britain and Germany. And third important is semi-presidential system. In semi-presidential system, there is Prime Minister as well as the President. Unlike the parliamentary system, the President is yielding significant powers. Sometimes both President and Prime Minister belong to the same party, and sometimes they may come from the different parties and oppose each other. So, dear students, these are the three types of executives. Remember, this is your chapter executives. Once again, I am repeating the things for the you. Executive is that branch of the government that implements laws. It is the second branch of the government. Government has three branches. That is, one is legislature, second executive, and third is judiciary. First, it is the presidential system. In presidential system, the head of the state and head of the government is president. The office of the president is the most powerful office and it is based on the separation of theory of separation of powers. This system is in operation in Brazil and United States of America. Second, it is the parliamentary system. In parliamentary system, either monarch or president is the head of the state, but he or she only performs the ceremonial functions or his nominal head. Nominal head only powers are given in his name, but they are exercised by the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. But this Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister is responsible to the Parliament. And third is and this system is in operation in India, Britain, and Germany. And third important is semi-presidential system. In semi-presidential system, there is both president as well as the prime minister. Unlike the parliamentary system, the president enjoys or is wielding significant powers. Sometimes president and prime minister come from the same party, and sometimes they belong to the different parties. So president having some powers, he can oppose the prime minister. And such a system is in operation in Russia, France, and Sri Lanka. This is all about the types of the executives that is mentioned in your syllabus. Dear students, if any queries strikes your mind in regarding this topic which I discussed today with you, you can call me on my number, that is 7006671106, or WhatsApp me on the same number 7006671106, or you are even free to post your query on my email, that's kgm38864 at the rate of gmail.com, and within short duration of time your query shall be answered. But before leaving class, there is a new policy without use of whiteboard to make you learn something by the communication skills of a teacher. I am advising you to remain inside your home, stick to the book so that you can crack the coming online examination with the difference. Secondly, the COVID-19 infection that got its birth from China, it's putting life at stake, it's killing people in plenty. By remaining in home isolation, we can defeat this infection also. Dear students, be blessed. Thanks.